Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Amerrul Rafiq bin Muhammad Sulaiman from R4B Radiology 4B. Today I will make a video about my theory assignment. So let's get started. So basically for the content we have article with link in page 4, introduction, page 4, problem statement, page 5, raw data Excel, page 5, population sample variable and cumulative frequency table in page 6, bar chart, page 7, calculation, page 8 until 9 and conclusion, page 10. So this the article. So the introduction. This news article show the reality of world that show us the obsession of this generation out there about drugs and the consequence they experience. Not only adults, nowadays teenagers also involved in taking drug and also participant in drug trafficking. This kind of activity not only affect them but also give a bad image to our country and religion. Most of this criminal activity was mainly involved by Malay. In this criminal can't be stopped by the law. Soon it will become bad news for our country. By doing this mock study, we can see the reason of why the teenagers got addicted to drug and become a drug dealer. Some of those who got addicted to drug can show aggressive behavior. Their mind will always think about drug without understanding about the dangerous effect of it, just because to get the small pleasure and money for themselves. Without a doubt, since the pandemic era has started, the case of drug case among teenagers keep growing and seem to be get more critical. Most of the cases nowadays show that the reason of their involvement is because of the lack of the love and affection given by their parents, influenced by TV show and bad group of friends who encourage bad behavior. The problem statement. So, we would like to perform a mock study and make a report about teenagers that have been addicted to drug in Johor. As a result, we can collect a sample of n equal to 150. This data is collected from area Batu Pahat, Johor. We also use research data about drug case that happen among teenagers in other area as an extra reference for this research. In the same time, we also ask opinion and make research through the internet about the effective way to eradicate this drug activity among the student. From this statement that brought us to the main purpose of our research is understand the case of drug using among teenagers in our country. So we go to raw data. So this the raw data 152. Okay, is it? So we go to population, sample and variable. A. Population of mock study is 150 people. For B, sample of mock study is 150 people. So C, variable 150 people as a sample. For gender, men we have 60 and women we have 19. For their age, 15 to 20 years old we have 100 people. From 21 to 30, we have 25. From 31 to 40, we have 20. For 50 years old and above, we have 5. Their occupation for that all who taking drugs. For student, we have 100. Government worker, we have 35. Private sector, we have 10, and retired, we have 5. So the accumulation frequency table. So this the frequency table. 1 frequency 22. Okay, so 22 for the frequency, and cumulative frequency is 22. For 2, frequency 30 and cumulative frequency is for 52. How we get 52? Because this plus this, so we get 52. And then for 3, we have frequency 28 and cumulative frequency we have 80. How we get it? So 52 times 28. Okay, so we get 80. For 4, 34. For frequency and cumulative frequency we have 114. How we get it? 80 plus 24. So we have 100 and 140. For 5, frequency is 36 and cumulative frequency is 150. So 114 plus the 36 and we have 150. So for bar chart, this for the bar chart. Drug case in Batu Pahat, Johor. For 1, we have 22. Number 2, we have 30. Number 3, we have 28. Number 4, we have 34. And lastly, number 5, we have 36. Okay. So for the calculation, this is the calculation. So drug case 1. So the F equal 22, Fx 22, X cos X X2 we have 1, Fx2 we have 22. So drug case 2 we have F30, Fx60, X2 equal to 4, Fx2 equal to 120. Number 3 we have F equal to 28, Fx equal to 84, X2 equal to 9, and Fx2 equal to 252. For number 4, we have F equal to 34, Fx equal to 136, X2 we have 16, and Fx2 we have 544. For drug case 5, for F we have 36, Fx 180, X2 25, Fx2 we have 900. So the total of this is 482, and the total of this Fx2 equal to 1838. Okay, we go to the for using formula. Okay, the calculation we use formula. So the mean Fx per n equal to 482 per 150 equal to 3.21. For this is the mean, and then this is the mode for 5 case of drug, and median equal to n per 2 equal 550 per 2, so equal 75, which is 3 drug case. Okay, standard deviation. Okay, so this. Okay, so this the formula for standard deviation. V2 equal to Fx2 per F, which is mean, minus mean 2. So this the formula. So we put the number. So we have V2 equal to 1838 per 150 minus 3.212. This means kuasa lah. Okay. So we have 1.949. So this. Okay. For variance, standard deviation punca kuasa 2. So V equal to punca kuasa 2 1.949. So equal to so V equal to 1.396. Okay. So this I'm using Excel. So this the formula and the result. So you go to this. Okay. By using Excel. Okay. So this the mean. This the formula. We just put number and the formula to Excel, and then we can get the result. Okay. So the result that I make in Excel is the same one. Okay, so my answer is correct. Okay, so the mean fx per n equal to 482 per 150 equal to 3.2133. Mode drugs. For mode, we have 5 drug case for median, and per 2 equal to 150 per 2 equal to 35, which is 3 drug case. For standard deviation, the answer we get 1.928. For the variance, we can get 1.389. So we go to the conclusion. Based on the given information, it is evident that drug addiction among teenagers is a growing problem in Johor, Malaysia. The mock study conducted on a sample of 150 individuals revealed that most of the teenagers involved in drug addicted and trafficking were Malay. Lack of love and affection from parents, influence from TV show, and bad company were some of the primary reasons behind this behavior. The cumulative frequency table and bar chart show that the major of the sample population had a drug case frequency of 4 or 5, indicating that they were heavily involved in drug-related activities. The calculation of fx and fx2 help to determine the mean and variance of the drug case frequency. It is essential to take immediate measure to prevent the spread of drug addiction among teenagers. The government, parents, and society should work together to create awareness about the danger of drug addiction and provide support to those who are struggling with it. It is crucial to address the root causes behind this behavior and provide necessary counseling and rehabilitation service to those in need. Fail to address this issue can have several consequences for the country's future. So that's all from me, Amerrul Rafiq from R4B DG 12110. So thank you.